GM and welcome to a new video. This is part 2 of the Sandwatch series. In my last video, which you can see here, oh, it's almost ending, I explained to you what Sandwatch is. This is already over a month old, actually almost 2 months old. And if you have been following along, you should have accumulated a lot of popcorn by now. But there's a lot of other tasks, and there was a lot of people asking me how to do certain tasks. So here we go, a little update on Sandwatch. Let's dive right in. As always, all the links are down in the description, like the link to this first video that you see in the background. And while you're down there, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to my channel because that helps me a lot. Now, what happened? This is the official account by Sandwatch. And what happened since I did the last video is they released the Sandy token and Sandy Codex. They also have a whole site on this, sandycodex.com. You can read all about it here. I want to really focus on the tasks that you can do to earn more popcorn. So just doing this real quick. Sandy Codex, this is the governance token for the Codex framework. You can read all about it here in the docs. I will put the link of the docs down in the description as well. You can see all about the popcorn points, the seed categories. I covered most of this actually in my first video, but you can read through it, and then you can also go through Sandy Video Agent where it is explained in detail. They also launched a couple of other agents that are displaying what Codex from Sandwatch is capable of. And you see this here. There's the Elon Codex, for example. We have from Trump and some others as well. And it works pretty great. And what it does is, especially for Sandy, this works very good. It posts videos. You've probably seen all those agents out there like AI-XPT that are now spamming X. And this one here goes deeper because it posts videos. And the videos are very good. And if you go under replies, then you see that they post a lot of nice replies, which are a lot of times very funny. So you can scroll through those. That being said, this is Codex that they launched, the Codex framework. And what we want to focus on now is how to accumulate more popcorn. And I just created a new account for this. If you don't know how to set up an account, go back to my first video. I show you how to actually set up the account. I give you a seed number so you can join Sandwatch because you need the invite code. I got you covered there. And then if you click on basic seed, because on my main account or on my real account, I already did all those tasks, so it was a bit overcrowded, and this way it's easier to show this to someone that maybe did some of the tasks but not all of them. What you can do is, I already get 0.5 points for creating a profile, and I got invited. That gives me 2, so I have the 2.5 multiplier. I just created this literally minutes ago, and I already have almost 1000 popcorn. And there's certain tasks that you can do to get multipliers. I explained this in the last video. And what you can do is you can connect Telegram and link Discord. Those are pretty obvious. What didn't work in the last video, I think it didn't work, hold over 1 Solana. So if you hold over 1 Solana in the wallet that you use to set up your account, you will get a 3x multiplier, which is pretty good in my opinion. Then you can connect X, you can follow Codex Sandy on X, and this one here isn't working right now. So it will probably be fixed in the future, but it is a known bug. If you hold 5000 Sandy, that gives you a 5x multiplier. And if you had a premium seed or a super team seed, and you get a premium seed by being very helpful on their Discord, for example, if you're a real chat and help everyone out, then you maybe get the premium seed. And all those that had a premium seed and or a super team seed, they got the Sandy airdrop once the token launched. And that was a pretty nice airdrop of 33,000 Sandy. So if you hold over 5,000 Sandy, then you get a 5 times multiplier. As you can see in this wallet here, I just created this. I don't hold the 5,000 Sandy necessary to do this. If you hold a Play Solana NFT, you get a 3 times multiplier. And here, this one's a bit tricky and a lot of people struggle with this. Join channel. If you joined that Discord, it doesn't automatically grant you the role. What you need to do is put in /check. And once you do this, it actually checks that you're connected, and then this should show up here. Same to do in the community channel from Sandwatch. Once you joined the channel, you need to enter /check and then verify by doing this. Once you do this, you get the multipliers. If you refer friends, this is your referral here. You click copy, give them the seed invite, and then they can join Sandwatch. The last thing that you can do is follow Sandwatch on X. All those here are grayed out because there's tasks that you need to do before you can do those here. For example, you need to link your Discord server before you can prove that you joined the channel. Same for Telegram, same for Sandwatch, and so on and so on. So once you did all of those, you have a pretty good multiplier and you start accumulating popcorn. It doesn't cost you anything. The sooner you set up your account, the sooner you start earning popcorn, and the better your watch token allocation will be. Because for Sandwatch, for the whole platform, watch will be the token, but for Codex from the framework, this will be Sandy as the governance token. So we will have 2 tokens. So the real token for the whole Sandwatch platform is actually not out yet. This will be the watch token, and this is what we collect the popcorn for. So better start collecting some popcorn. Let me know if you have any trouble with any of those tasks. I'm happy to help you guys. And the Discord server or the Telegram group are also very helpful. But if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments. And now this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.